What's going on, YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? And welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. And in today's episode, I'm at another construction site and I wanted to give you guys a tour of this cool construction site. And as you can see, I'm in Trinity Place. Now, look what it says, guys. It says, no hard hat, no glasses, no face covering, no gloves, no ride. Gil Bane. Okay, so we need to have all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this shit. Alright, so this is a construction site that we're in. Look at that, guys. Very cool construction site. And I wonder what's in there. Look at that. What's in there? Ooh. Oh man. Very cool, very cool. Very cool. Look at all these fire extinguisher, guys. Shit is fucking crazy. You got so many of them. Here's the stairs, so don't fall. Look at that. Very cool. Oops. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. It's a construction site. So let's keep on rolling, guys. And so, look what they have here, guys. Oh man. Look at that, guys. Very nice construction site. That's the elevator. It's not working yet, as you can see. What? Exit doors. Wow, look at this, guys. It's fucking crazy. Alright, so let's go down the stairs now, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so cool. And they're still working on the elevators, as you can see, guys. The details of this site is going to be very big, but I wanted to go inside and show you guys. Very cool, very cool. Now, I like these construction sites that I go to because, as you can see, these construction sites, they're very big places. There's nothing here, as you can see, it's just boxes. Yeah, I go to a lot of construction sites, guys, uh, and the jobs that I do. So I wanted to show you guys this type of construction site, and it's very cool, guys. This is fucking awesome. Now, have you guys ever worked at a construction site before? And if you have, tell me what locations you have been and worked at. And if you haven't, then check out this experience. What's up there? What? That shit is fucking high. It's a very nice place. Look at this, guys. And it's raining outside, as you can see. So that's the back of it, guys. Oh, somebody left a coffee cup there, huh? All right, let's go back. Look at the stairs, guys. Look at this. Look at all this stuff, guys. So yeah, this is in the city, of course. And this is where we started. As you can see over there, we started all the way over there, where the booth at. So I wanted to show you the inside of this construction place. And I hope you liked it, guys. And it's a very big building. It's still being constructed. So as I always say, if you like what you see and you're interested in joining the exclusive family Discord group channel, you already know I'm going to put the link in the description below. That being said, guys, you know who I be. They call me your Mills. They call me Nomad Patriot. They call me the Slider. Team YGE versus Team Slider under Team Donkey Productions. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay secure. Wear your mask if you choose to go outside. And God bless you all.